The phone comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus dot display with 90Hz refresh rate and adaptive refresh rate technology. It also has 180Hz touch sampling rate. The colors look great and it is a great display to view movies and play games. We have a quad camera setup, 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and a front camera that is 8 megapixel. The native camera app comes with a ton of great features to up our photography game. We can choose from photos, videos, pro and whatnot. We have a gigantic 6000 mAh battery on this device with 18 watt fast charging support up to 9 watt reverse charging. We tested its limits by watching movies, playing games, calling and listening to lossless music online, and even then we were left with a decent amount of battery left.